Today we are going to discuss about place value, face value of any number. As you know, numbers are made up of digits. But do you know place value of a digit depends on the position of that number. At what position it is, whether it is ones, tens, hundred, thousand, likewise. So let's see how to find out place value of any digits. In this, first you have to find out the place value of 2 in this number. First we will see 2 is at which place? It is at 1's place. So it is, the place value is 2 ones, or we can say it is 2. Now let's see place value of 7. 7 is at which place? Ones, tens. 7 is at tens place. So its place value is 7 tens, means 70. Now let's see place value of 5. We will see 5 is at which place? Ones, tens, hundred. It is at 5 is at 100 place. So it is 5 hundreds. It is 5 hundreds because it is at hundreds place. Or we can write like this also, 500. Place value you can write like this, 2 ones or 2 also. So both are correct. You can write 500s or 500 also. Let's move on to place value of 4. It means what is the position of 4? It is ones, tens, hundred, thousand. So it is 4000. Place value is 4000. So here we can write its position is 4000. Place value is 4000. Now, if I will ask what is the place value of 5 in given numbers, first you have to find out where is 5? Here. So let's see its position, means place value. So this one is ones, 5 is tens. 5 is tens. So we will write here 5 tens, or we can write 50. Now in this we have to find place value of 5. We will see where is 5? Here. Ones, 0, then tens, 3 is there, 100 place we have 5. So here 100 place, 5 is at 100 place. So we will write down 5 hundreds. It is, place value is 5 hundreds, or we can say it is 500. So what you learned in this? We learned that place value depend on position. It depends on position, whether it is ones, tens, hundred, thousand. So whatever place it is, whether it is hundred, tens, that we have to mention. So that will be place value of that particular number. Now let's move on to face value. Face value means the value itself. So the value of that digit itself, it always remains same, it don't change. Like if I will ask place value of 7, it will be 7 only. Place value of 5, it will be 5 only. It don't depend on position of that number. It don't change. If we will ask 7, it will be 7 only. If we will ask face value of 5, it will be 5. 4, it will be 4. Same number you have to write. It means face value is value itself. So let's see what is asked in this. Face value of 7 is asked. So you have to see 7. It is at one's place. So its face value will be 7 only. Face value of 1. It is at 100 place. So its value is 1 only. Face value of 1 is 1. Face value of 5 is 5. Face value of 4 is 4. It doesn't depend on the position. Whatever it is, ones, tens, 100, 1000, it will be same. This will be same only. Okay. Now let's see some more examples. In this, face value of 7 is asked. One number is this one. In this, 7 is at tens place. And what is our face value? So face value will be same number only. So we have to write face value of 7 is 7. In this it is at 1000 place, but the face value is number itself. So it will be again it will be same only. So if it is asked face value means you have to write same number, and place value is asked, then you have to see which position it is. It is ones, tens, likewise you have to do.